Hey guys, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. This is Neelam and I am back for all of you with another reading today. I hope this reading finds all of you well and safe. Today's reading is another message reading that I really wanted to do. If you've been wondering what's happening in your life, okay, if you've been wondering that something's not right or what exactly is in store, why is this happening, if these kind of questions are evolving in your mind, or you're just generally confused about certain things that are happening in your life, okay, so this reading is for you. We're going to be looking at what's happening for you behind the scenes, okay. So when I say behind the scenes, we look at why a particular thing is happening, okay. So if you are, say, stuck in a situation or something really bad happened to you, okay, and you haven't been able to figure out why, here's the answer to your why. So what I would want you guys to do is pause the video, meditate over your situation. See, our mind has a lot of power. So if you bring all your focus there, trust me, you will get all your answers. You go to any tarot reader, you go to any therapist, you go and talk to any shrink for that matter, okay? You will realize that when they say something to you, you already knew that at the back of your mind. It's just that you needed someone's help to bring it out. So I'm asking you to be that help on your own sometimes, okay? And how you can activate that process is by just meditating sometimes. You will get your answers, or your body will automatically trigger you to do that thing so that you get your answer, okay? All right, sorry about the funda, but yeah, it really helps. It helped me and I'm sure it's going to help you guys. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So, as you can see, I've laid out 3 piles for you. The question is what's happening for you behind the scenes, all right? So I have 3 piles. Pile number 1 is the Amazonite crystal. Number 2 is the Angelite. Third one is the Rose Quartz. Okay. So you can pause the video, meditate over your situation, think about that one particular situation that has been bothering you or something. If there is nothing as such and you're just watching it, you can take a deep breath, close your eyes. I'll pause for 2 seconds, choose your pile. Okay. All right, so we'll begin with number 1, the Amazonite pile. Hope you guys have chosen your piles. So I have picked up one oracle card to see the major theme, and I've taken out some multiple tarot decks and oracle decks to see, and if I'm pulled to pick up some more, I have them right here in front of me, so we'll see whatever pulls me I'm going to do. So let's see. What's happening for you behind the scenes? Pile number 1, Amazonite. Here. Sacred space. Take time for the dreamer in you. Find your power in stillness. In your sacred space is the peace you are seeking. Pile number 1, if you've been like running around and thinking, where will I find happiness and peace? You're looking for it in the wrong places. So what I'm seeing from this card and what the message says to me is you're looking for your sacred space in the wrong place. Actually, there is no place. And it's exactly what I said right in the beginning of the video. Your inner peace is inside you. What you've been doing all this while is probably attaching your peace to someone else, or attaching your peace to... Okay, this is very common. You'll see people who get very easily attached and are not able to detach, okay? Such people have some self-worth issues, okay? They don't think that they are capable of making themselves happy by their own existence. They're always attaching their happiness. They want to basically, it's a little parasitic, sometimes symbiotic, like expectations are symbiotic. you attach all your happiness to one person, one situation, and you expect so much out of it. And when you don't get it, you feel bad. Okay? So here the message is that the peace, the happiness, the calmness that you're looking for is inside you. It's in the dreamer in you. Maybe there are long drawn dreams, or there are some dreams of yours which you have suppressed in your heart. And that is where your happiness lies, and you suppress that, and after that you're looking for happiness in other places. And it doesn't work like that. I know, pile number one, whatever has been happening, for example, you had a breakup. For example, you worked so hard towards something, it is not working out. It is happening this way so that you understand that the happiness that you're searching for is not there. It's here. It's in the dreamer in you. You have the capability of making yourself happy. It's just that you're not paying enough attention to it. If you are also, then it's not too much of an attention that you're paying maybe. Let's see. What else is happening for you behind the scenes? Let's look into it a little deeper. Two of Keys, the treasure. Exactly. You've been hunting. You've been looking for it. You don't seem to find it. You've looked for it everywhere and you're still looking for it. For a lot of you, maybe you're looking for your life purpose. Maybe you're just anxious that, what is it? What would make me happy? Or you're just curious that, what am I seeking? So this reading is telling you today that you need to kind of get in tune with yourself. And you've stopped doing that probably. You need to resume doing that. The Divine Physician. There is a part of you that needs to heal. Okay? There is something about you which is not right at this point, and maybe you keep repeating the same patterns over and over again. You keep making the same mistake all the time. You need to rectify that. However painful it is, and it's like you have to do it this time. I'll just try to read out what this Divine Physician says. This is card number 6. The Divine Physician stands before a well, carrying a jug of healing water and sharing his light of healing with those nearby. Upon his robe is the caduceus, the emblem of medicine and healing. Called Dian Sheet by the Celts, he made the mortally wounded rise again through his incantations of sacred words. This powerful internal healing spirit walks with you at this time. This card indicates that you're moving into a time of magnificent healing on many levels. There's a person who can be a great healer for you, as well as a teacher who shares healing. You may also find yourself being called to help others at this time. Remember that word and thought. So basically, I told you there is something in you that needs to be healed. So yes, that purge or this phase that you are in can be a little uncomfortable for you. Okay, maybe you will feel, usually when people tend to heal, and that's where it's all moving towards your inner peace. Like You'd been looking for this and it's coming to you, okay? So as I said, if something that you really wanted has been taken away from you and you don't have an answer, why would something like this happen to me? You don't understand, okay? It has happened so that you heal yourself. It has happened so that maybe in the past, the kind of patterns that you have had, you don't repeat them again. And understand that your happiness is in the dreamer in you. Okay? Let's see, what else? What else does the universe want to say? What's happening for you behind the scenes here? Two of Wands. I actually thought of this card. Yes, you had been seeking and waiting for something. Subconsciously, consciously, I don't know. So the vibe that I'm picking up, that maybe you were looking for your divine calling. Maybe you were not very happy with your job all the time. You landed up changing all the time. Maybe it's time for you to start something on your own. Okay? Maybe you're married, or maybe you have somebody in your life already, but still you don't feel satisfied. There is something wrong. You are seeking something. Okay? And it's important for you to seek, because you are about to find that sacred space for yourself. Maybe looking for a house, I don't know, Page of Cups. And yes, there it comes. It will come to you slowly. Page of Pentacles, yes. And it'll start. So I don't see it to be like a very heavy duty start, okay? Like it's not like something that you might think that it has to be very big. No, it'll start small, like a small idea, like a small person, like a small offer, like a small friendship. I don't know which field are you looking for your answers for. I'm just telling you what I pick up. So if this is a relationship, then it might start on the note of a friendship, okay? And if this is a career path, this might start on the note of a very small thing, maybe a hobby, maybe something that just makes you feel good and that's why you're doing it, okay? It might start like that, but it has huge potential and it will grow stably as well. Okay, so the answer to the seeker inside you is coming. Okay? Let's see. What else is happening for you behind the scenes? What do you need to know at this point? Nine of Cups. So let me pick up two more cards and I'll tell you the message. Knight of Swords. Six of Pentacles. Okay. You're being asked to, one, do a little bit of charity. Please do that right away. The second thing that I'm picking up is, please don't be alone. Okay, pile number one. Please don't be alone. Mix around, go meet people, socialize, okay? You're being asked not to be alone at this point. Indulge in meeting people, have fun. Okay, while having this fun, I have a feeling that you might get your, trust me, right now the thing is that you need to sleep well as well, okay, and that will only come when you're a little exhausted. So if you're not exercising, please exercise, okay? If you're not doing that, whatever, something that makes you physically tired, I'm seeing that a deep sleep is going to give you a lot of clarity through dreams. I'm picking up. Through your dreams, you will get a lot of messages. you will understand a lot of things is what I'm picking up. Okay, so go enjoy yourself. Okay, don't deprive yourself of happiness. Even if you're looking for something and that thing doesn't just seem to come, doesn't matter. Okay, it's okay. Still go out, pick yourself up back again and go out, party, meet people. Okay, in India it's difficult to party because we're in a lockdown, of course, because of Corona. But yeah, still call up your friends, like virtually or whatever you want to do it. Maybe abroad things are open. So yes, please go out, meet people, talk to people, okay? And do some charity, because I'm seeing that you're spending a lot of time alone. Right now, you're not supposed to do that. Because what's happening for you is already happening, okay? You will look into yourself when, take out that small time for meditation, say 1 hour in a day, where I'm going to just be with myself. And the remaining time, meet people who you like to be with, okay? That's one very important message I'm seeing. Behind the scenes, I feel you have a lot of well-wishers which probably you don't know about, okay? And when you start meeting people or when you start mixing, I see that you will understand this thing, okay? You're being asked to be a little more empathetic towards people who need you at this point also, okay? I'm seeing a little charity has to be done here. You should. Let's see what else is happening for you behind the scenes. Nine of Swords, the Hierophant, and 10 of Swords. Yes. See, please don't think so much about society and traditions, guys. I think you maybe have put yourself in that dilemma where you think that what will the society say? Maybe because you've not been stable about a lot of things in your life. What's the society going to say? What is this one going to say? Please don't think so much about the society. Think about yourself, okay? This point I'm seeing that, okay, fine, I get it that maybe you are answerable to a lot of people, but still I would say you don't have to be just answerable to them, okay? That is what I'm picking up for you. Behind the scenes, all of this upheaval that is happening in your life, it's just happening for you to come closer to what you're meant to do in life. For a lot of you, this is a calling for the life purpose in general. Okay? This is a calling for your life purpose, could be, for a lot of you. Alright. Now, let me see. What should you do? Or what is the advice for you here? What's the advice for pile number 1? Love begins. Stop. If you're being harsh on yourself, then please don't. I saw this card twice, so I'm going to take it. Don't be harsh on yourself, pile number 1, please. If you've been harsh on yourself, it's not helping you. You're stopping a new beginning in your life. As I said, if this is to do with relationships, then that one ending has to happen so that a new beginning can take place. Okay? I am actually seeing that maybe you're being a little rigid and authoritative about certain things that you wanted in a certain way. And it doesn't work like that. So you're being asked to be a little more flexible. Be free, be flowy. Okay? Alright, so that's what I have for you, pile number 1. I hope this gave you the clarity, or maybe if you heard my message right in the beginning, you would know why I did this reading today. So I hope it gave you the clarity that you're seeking. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon again. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 2. Whoever chose the Angelite crystal. I drop this all the freaking time. I don't know why. Alright, so let's see what is the main theme or the main message for you, because I've picked up only one oracle card here. And then I'll be picking up tarot cards and oracle cards to look a little more deeper into your messages. So let's see what's happening for pile number 2 behind the scenes. Manifestation. Your dreams have an untold energy. Open the door and let them live. Desire and belief are your power. Don't stop, pile number 2. Don't stop. Your dreams are about to come true, and that is what is happening in the background. Okay, I'm seeing that there is the right combination working in your favor in some way. Okay, whatever you were manifesting is working in your favor behind the scenes for you. So don't start getting into a negative frame of mind, pile number 2. Okay, whatever you dreamt of or whatever you thought of is bringing you what you deserve. Okay, it's like dream big, pile number 2. Desire big. Don't stop your vision at this point, but even if somebody tells you anything right now. Okay, this can be with your love life, this can be with your career. If someone tells you that this is just not possible and you know, how do you think you're going to do this? Don't listen to anyone. Do it on your own. Okay, because you are in a very powerful energy at this point of time in your life. Okay, and you don't need anyone's approval for this. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see what else is happening for you behind the scenes. I'm also picking up this energy that you want to fly, like you have a sense of vision about what you want to do, but a person who's very close to you might not have a similar vision. Whoever resonates with this would know. So what's happening is maybe you might feel pulled down, and you're being asked not to feel pulled down. This person could be really caring for you, like they really care about you, love you, whatever. Friends, mother, father, whoever this is. But your dream is yours at the end of the day. And the other person, how much ever they love you, will not always understand the intensity with which you're feeling for it. Okay? Let me see what else wants to come through, what's happening for you behind the scenes. The King of Roses and Caught in the Ruins. Okay, whoever is resonating with this, I don't know, this is one thing that I'm channeling. I'll tell you whatever I channel. Maybe a male figure is against this, what you are thinking. Your father, your husband, a boyfriend, a friend, whoever, like someone who has a very important role in your life. Okay, Now the reason why they could be stopping you could be because maybe they tried it and it didn't work out in their favor. So maybe this could be that, okay, you're in another scenario, maybe you're in love with someone and your mom or your dad is telling you that don't walk on this path because I tried doing this when I was young and it didn't work in my favor. And it's just that, I don't want you to go through this again, or because I have gone through it, I don't want you to suffer. So they're trying to bog you down. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. The point is that maybe you've been after this for a really long time. This could be your job, this could be a business, this could be an idea, this could be love, anything. And maybe it has just started to like tear you down now because there's no results. But trust me, something's working behind. Something is happening for you behind, which you probably don't realize. Okay? If you listen to this person, or if you do not listen to your heart at this point, you will land up putting yourself in a mess. Again, like the past. Caught in the ruins, basically. You will again land up putting yourself in that same situation. So in this scenario, you are being told that you should listen to your own self and no one else. Okay? Let's see. What else do we pick up from the tarot cards? The Fool, Seven of Wands, yes. You could be wanting to break free from something and you're not being allowed to do that. Ten of Wands. Three of Pentacles. You have to be very strategic also here. Maybe this person is important. It's not like you can just disregard them anywhere, like wherever, however you want to. Okay, this person could be important, but I'm seeing that you have to work on this. It's not like you can just let this go. You can't do that. You just cannot do that. See, if you give in to this whole resistance, or maybe if you give in to people, you will not get what you're looking for. You will start feeling burdened again. So basically, you will not find a solution to this thing if you listen to other people. You have to find a very diplomatic solution to deal with this whole situation. Okay? Don't give up. That's all. Don't give up. That's the main theme or the main energy that I'm picking up. You have to break free from this, but in a very practical way. Okay, because if you want this dream to come true, which is actually, it's like you're very close. The destination is probably just 3 kilometers away. Okay, and I'm just picking up a random number, and it doesn't take too long to reach that path. Now you can't really give up at this point. You will regret. You will keep thinking for the rest of your life that it was right there and I gave up at that time. Let's see, what else? What's happening for you behind the scenes, pile number 2? Nine of Swords, you're not being able to sleep because of this. I'll tell you the message, just give me a minute. See, if you listen to others, I mean, that's the main message that I'm getting. If you listen to others, you will be caught, you will not be able to do anything here. Just release, just let go. If it sometimes hurts people, you can't help it, but you have to do it. Okay? You have to do it. Because this is where your stability is. You can't risk it. Like, so for a lot of you, for example, you've invested so much, now you have to make that one final investment to make this happen. And you're not being allowed to do it. Manage it somehow. I don't know how you're going to do it, but just manage it somehow, because you deserve it and you should do this. Okay? Don't stop now. If you stop now, you will regret this for the rest of your life. I'm also seeing that if you say your truth, it's going to be a break free kind of a moment for you. Because there are a lot of things in your mind at this point. What's happening? What's happening? What else is happening behind the scenes? Knight of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Cups. Oh, I think this is Ace of Cups. Sorry. Whatever the situation is, it has potential of growth slowly. But you have not plunged yourself fully into it. Okay? For a lot of you, that's one message that I'm picking up. I'm also seeing that you definitely have to break free from something. And it is very important if you want this to work out. Break free from it, take that plunge, move ahead in that direction. Okay? If it requires you to be a little vocal about certain things, please do that. Please be vocal. Please say it out. Okay? Because I'm seeing this is a fresh new, it's a phase of a fresh new beginning in your life. Don't stop this. Because you're going to regret it. You're going to badly regret this in your life. Okay? Now, let me see what is the advice for you in this situation from the universe. What should you do? Advice for pile number 2. What is the advice for you? Awareness. This is the Magician card. Manifestation, and we have awareness. Choose wisely. Use your intuition. I have Two of Cups again. So this could be about a love situation or a relationship. You know somewhere that this is meant for you. So you are at a crossroad where if you listen to other people, you will ruin it. It is totally up to you about what you should do, okay? And right now, if you take a step back, then this is going to end. You're being asked to give that one final shot. So even if it doesn't work out, I think there are some lessons there. Even if it doesn't work out, which I don't think it won't, but I'm just telling you that even if it doesn't, There is something for you over there. Okay? You will find what you were looking for. That's one key thing that I'm picking up. Alright? So be very wise, be very careful about how you're proceeding here. Okay, pile number 2. So that's what I have for you. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation, if it did. Because I feel that what's happening for you behind the scenes, these readings are usually very specific about a specific situation, and sometimes it might not resonate with all of you. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you like it. Also, you can drop me an email and have a chat with me. I'd love to interact with you. Take care. Bye. Okay, so let's move to the final pile, pile number 3. Whoever chose this rose quartz heart. Okay. So I've picked up one oracle card to see the main theme as to what's happening for you behind the scenes if there is a situation going on in your life and you don't know what's happening. So let's see what's happening behind the scenes. Destiny. Acknowledge your mission, align with your purpose. You have gifts to share with the world. This is also about partnership. You're being taken towards your destiny. Pile number 3, sorry. And it is happiness. And there is something that you need to do in your life. So you are being taken there. That's all. You're not alone in this. There is someone else with you here. I feel this is your life purpose calling you. Or this could just... For a lot of you, this is your life purpose calling you, and if it involves a connection, then that person is also involved here. Let's see what else. See if this comes back again. What's happening for you behind the scenes? Pile number 3, rose quartz. You have 2 cards. Reflection and the Queen of Scrolls. Okay. You're being asked to think, pile number 3. You're being asked to think. Think about your life. Think about your relationships. Think about what suits you or what doesn't anymore. If those thoughts are coming in your mind, it is coming for a reason. So I'll just read about the Queen of Scrolls. A beautiful woman holds a scroll as she stands in front of a sunlit archway. Around her swirls the energy of wisdom, knowledge, and Akashic truth. When this card appears upright, she brings important information and inspiration to you. The Queen of Scrolls is a woman of higher mind whom you may already know or have yet to meet. Her purpose is to help you move through the entryway to a new level of wisdom and understanding. She could be a teacher to you in some way or offer a friendship that could develop into a deeper love. The woman could be helpful to you in some project requiring communication. Again, if somebody came in your life and asked you to do some thinking, okay, it's for a reason. Don't just let it pass, because it's not a passing thought. Let me tell you, it's not a passing thought. If this thought has come to your mind, it has come for a reason, and you need to pay attention to it because it is important, okay? And it's some analysis that you need to do at this stage, and you have to, because if you don't do it now, at some point it's going to be one tower moment, which of course you don't want, okay? So it's all happening for a reason, guys. You're being taken towards your life purpose, towards what you're meant to be or who you're meant to be with or something, okay? Let's see, what else? What's happening for you behind the scenes? Pile number 3. Strength. Wow. Some feminine power here. The High Priestess. And the King of Cups. So I told you there is somebody here in the picture. There is somebody here in the picture. So you at this point, just keep, I mean, you don't have to say anything also. There's nothing much that you need to do. Just have faith in yourself and do this inner work. Just have faith in yourself. If you are like pushed to do some reflection at this point and you figure out an answer, please do it. Okay, please do this reflection, Knight of Wands, and move in that direction, whatever you figure out. 4 of Cups, yes. This is an offer from the divine to you and you're just not looking at it, maybe. Your destiny is unfolding at this point, okay? And you should listen to it now. It's high time. So the point is that if this reflection gives you some clarity, accept that clarity. I have a feeling that you will not accept it only because you're scared, okay? You're frightened about it. You don't know if you would be happy after taking that decision. You could be a little scared in general, maybe because of someone. So what you can do is figure it out, keep it to yourself and start working towards it. That's what I feel. What else is happening for you behind the scenes? Let's see. King of Cups again. This person could be helping you or just in general very helpful person, I feel. It's an energy of love. It's an energy of very strong feelings. Okay, I feel if there are 2 people involved here, you are thinking and getting confused. This person is thinking about you all the time, even while they're working. So your thoughts are always around this person, or I don't know if this is about love. And somebody needs to break free probably and talk. This matches a lot with today's Instagram message. I mean, you can follow me on Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3 card readings over there. So yeah, it's like both of you are thinking about each other, but you don't know who's going to take the first step. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles, and that could be a new beginning. But I don't know, should you take the first step? Let's see, let's check the cards. Should you take the first step? See, I feel that you can, okay, but don't feel embarrassed after that. If you think that you take that step and you'll be like, oh my god, I did it, no point. If you are out of that energy, then you should. Let me clarify once again. Why is 6 of Wands? I guess you should wait. I don't think you should take that step, because I think that's the exact card that I had, yeah. Don't take that step. Let it be. Let the other person reach out over here. Let's see what else is happening for you behind the scenes. Pile number 3. Five of Swords. Justice. Yeah, anything that was unfair or anything that was deceitful is being taken care of now. Judgment and Justice. And then I have the Queen of Swords. Yeah. Look, I think whatever you did, if you took a step back or whatever it was, I think you did the right thing. There's nothing wrong about that, because you are supposed to take your power back when you feel that you are investing it in the wrong place. Okay? Spend this time in reflection, because I see that both of you are thinking about each other, but I think this person will come back. I have a strong intuition. But you don't do anything right now. Alright? Don't do anything. Okay. So I'll still see what is the advice for you in this situation. What is the advice for you in this situation? Heart chakra, discontent and boredom. Let it be, guys. I think this person has to understand something. So, but whatever this is a very destined thing that is happening with the two of you. So let it just go the way it is going. Don't do anything over here. Okay, because you're not supposed to do anything here. Okay? So that is what I have for you, pile number 3, the rose quartz. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. As I said, I do daily 3-card readings over there, and it resonates sometimes it doesn't, but usually it does. Let me know. Also, you can write to me on my email. I really love interacting with all of you. Also on my Instagram. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye.